How to log in to Walgreens Employee Portal. Hi everybody, in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step method on how to log into your Walgreens Employee Portal. First thing first, you're going to have to simply go ahead and search for Walgreens Employee Portal login on your web browser, hit the search bar, and then click on the first link that says sso.walgreens.com. Tap on it. And since Walgreens login portal is powered by OneID, you can just enter your OneID right here to log in. Then you can just enter your password as well. Now, if both of your ID and password are correct and they match, you can just tap on the sign in button to log into your account. And if you forgot your password, tap on forgot password button. This will allow you to recover your password in no time. You just have to provide your OneID. Tap on next, and if your OneID is registered, you should be able to recover your password in no time. That is basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.